Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Today, we're exploring the iconic Somorrostro Beach in Barcelona, Spain. One of the unique features of Somorrostro Beach is the fact that it's right in the heart of the city. This means that you can go for a swim and then head straight into the city center for some sightseeing or shopping. As we walk along the beach, we can see plenty of people sunbathing, playing volleyball, or simply lounging in the sun. There are also plenty of restaurants and bars nearby where you can grab a bite to eat or a refreshing drink while enjoying the stunning views. And of course, there's the iconic W Hotel, which dominates the skyline and adds a touch of glamour to the beach. The hotel has an amazing rooftop bar where you can sip cocktails while taking in the views of the Mediterranean. As the day goes on, the beach takes on a magical quality, with the sun casting long shadows and the water taking on a deeper hue. It's a truly unforgettable experience. As we wrap up our tour of Somorrostro Beach, I hope you've enjoyed this glimpse of this amazing location in Barcelona. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment below if you enjoyed the video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more incredible travel content.
Okay, wait.
Below that, this is now this is good with longboard.
Yeah. Just for the work.
Oh yes.
Okay, see you next time.
Tomorrow maybe you answer
Okay.
the morning. Next time.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.